Is Twitter getting rid of hashtags and @replies? No, but at the same time, yes. Let me rephrase the question. Is Twitter possibly thinking of new ways to go out organizing tweets by topic and presenting replies in a useful, easy-to-read fashion? Possibly. Now, the Twitter world went all abuzz this week following reports from this past Monday that the site's head of news partnerships, Vivian Schiller, had described hashtags and the @ symbol as the quote arcane elements of the service. More importantly, she suggested that the site was working on moving the scaffolding of Twitter into the background. And in most, that description reads like this: Twitter is getting rid of hashtags and @replies. Now, Twitter representatives asked to clarify Schiller's responses had this to say, and let me go ahead and quote them right here. By bringing the content of Twitter forward and pushing the scaffolding of the language of Twitter to the background, we can increase high-quality interactions and make it more likely that new or casual users will find this service as indispensable as our existing core users do. And we took initial steps in that direction with the introduction of media-forward timelines and inline social actions in October, and we're already starting to see early signs that those initiatives are working well. Now, Schiller also asked to clarify, specifically commented that Twitter is not planning to phase out hashtags and @replies. Rather, she said, there's a lot more creative thinking going around how to make Twitter more and more intuitive. Watch this space. So what might Twitter be up to then? Well, it's possible that the company could be looking to wrap replies and hashtags directly into the interface of a given tweet itself, similar to how it pulled the more archaic RT text out of users' updates and into their own little retweeted by descriptors above said retweets on the service. Now, BuzzFeed has gotten its hands on some screenshots that indicate Twitter is in fact eliminating @replies within the alpha test group for its Android app. These @replies are automatically deleted when a user includes them in a comment, and the user's comment is instead threaded into a conversation, graphically, which seems to work well for one-on-one conversations. Now, I'm not quite sure how eliminating the @reply will make larger conversations among groups of users whose @replies can change depending on who you're trying to talk to at a given point. That could make it a little bit more confusing. Now, of course, Twitter could also just do threaded conversations message board style, although the confusion does continue. Twitter might not be removing @replies claim representatives, but it sure seems to be doing so, or at least it's testing out the possibility. Either way, it shouldn't change the dynamics of Twitter too much, but it is interesting that Twitter is starting to remove some of its classic icons, such as hashtags and @replies. So let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!